in Photoshop we have a lot of options, so I will show you how you can use all the options and the tools for creation of new design. So let's go to the engine and go to tool for pickup to edit that image. We will try all the options. Here is the modern art on a paper. So let's make some changes and do the work here. That is the image we have get after putting that. Tutorial is about editing a picture generated from the AI. You can edit manually into the Photoshop. So that's the artwork we have created in it. It's a history brush tool. We can get that image. So we will remove half of the changes we have done, so you can see the difference of both, how you can create it.